G'day everyone. So with this one, we're going to be looking at drawing or sketching trigonometric functions and looking at when there is a restricted domain or looking over a specific domain. So first we'll go over the domain. Domain is just the range of x values that you go over. Okay, and this is stated here. Okay, x is an element between and including negative 2 pi and 2 pi. And you can see down here on the graph I've already prepared, I've got from 2 pi, from negative 2 pi to 2 pi here. So this just means start at negative 2 pi, end at 2 pi. Don't go any further from those points. Okay, so we're just looking over that domain. Now we just need to break down our sine of 2x. So whenever you get this, first you need to work out your amplitude and your period. So first our amplitude, this is the magnitude of the value that's here, okay, but we don't have anything, so that's just like saying a 1. So our amplitude is just going to be 1. Then our period. This is our 2 pi over b value. Just remember that your b value is this one here, okay, so it's 2 pi over 2, so this is equal to pi. So every cycle is going to be pi length. So whenever I'm doing this, I like to start off with our positive axis, so I'll just draw out our amplitude here. So we've got it here, so we've got 1 and negative 1. So I always like starting off with the positive axis and just getting this right, setting up your first one, and then you can sort of flow it through the rest of the way. Okay, so with sine graphs, we start in the middle, okay, and we go up. So it's going to end here at pi, our first period, and it's going to go through our middle point here. It's going to go up the top in between these 2 points and down the bottom there. Okay, and if you want, you can just draw these dots throughout the whole thing, and I find this is a lot easier to graph whenever you've got these here. Okay. So then you just need to try and have a nice flowing graph. So you'll see here I'm about to do one cycle, okay, or a period. So that's to pi, and we need to go all the way to 2 pi because that's what was specified in our question. So now we need to do another period around here. So you can see it's just the exact same cycle over and over again. Sorry, a bit crooked there. So here, you just need to continue this back going the other way. Alright, so you'll plot out your points, so it'll go down from the left to the left hand side, and you'll go back up, and you'll continue this way. Yet again, you don't have to draw these dots if you don't want to, so you can break this down further, and I'll just try and, sorry, I'm kind of rushing it a little bit.
Hey Matthew, I'm not sure whether you can hear me.
But you'll have in this one now, and this is how it ends up looking from negative 2 pi all the way to 2 pi. So just remember to restrict that domain first, and then I like working out the first period here. Okay, so your first period, and then just cycling it through all the way that you need to go, and you can always just draw out your dots or points of your key things when it goes through the axis or whenever it's at its min or max point. Okay, so hopefully this helps, and good luck.